Gavin with WSI, and today we're going to be talking about misalignment tools. The reason you'd want to run one of these is if you have got a well that's out of alignment, either through some subsidence issues in the ground, poor installation at the beginning, or you could even have a wellhead that's crooked down below everything and it's causing you problems up at the surface. Main things you need to know about this is it allows you about 5 degrees of misalignment correction for your stuffing box, and it's rated 3,000 PSI. You can get the connections, the bottom and the top connections, and all the normal sizes you could expect, and same with the polish rod, the wear bushing insert. You can get that in all polish rod sizes. So you should be able to put on any well you have out there. We've got some type of a hookup for it that'll make it work. On the install, we send them out, but we suggest a little bit of grease here on this O-ring and in this dome area, and then you've got the choice of a brass or a Teflon wear pad, and on top of those we'll set a snap ring that holds it in place. So these do need to be occasionally rotated down inside here. You can't swap these out without pulling the polish rod, but you do have several options. You can rotate these once you get significant wear in one spot and you're not getting the performance out of it you want. You simply loosen everything up, rotate this a little bit, tighten it back down, you're good to go. On the install, you're going to install this just like you would a regular stuffing box. You can install this to the stuffing box on the ground and then do the whole install like you would normally, and this will go into either your pump and tee or your BOP, just however you have your connection below this set up. This will go right into that spot. So at this point you're going to figure out what the lean is that your polish rod is, where you're off on your alignment. And you can do that by observing the wear patterns in your packing, what side it's been wearing on. You can also put a level on here to determine that. And so what you want to do is, once you figure out where the lean is, so here we're leaning to your guys' right, you want to loosen the bolts on the opposite side of the direction. So if this was out in the field, we would loosen up these 3 bolts on the opposite side of the lean, and you tighten down the 3 bolts that are on the side of the lean first, and then you come back to this point and tighten these down. And what that does is it takes your polish rod and it pulls it into the center of your packing, and so you're able for your polish rod to run in line with your stuffing box and your packing, and the alignment's taken out, the misalignment's taken out down here. So that's the nuts and bolts of our misalignment tool. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us. At the end of the video there'll be a link along with telephone numbers and emails to reach out to us if you have any other questions. If you'd like any other trainings on any of our products, please reach out to us for that. We'll have more videos uploaded on our website as well as YouTube. Thanks a lot. Remember to work smart, stay safe, and make your connection with WSI.